Hello everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again in this channel that always gives you the information about places in Bali with the latest update situations. So today I'm still in Ubud and I would like to share with you the current situations around here in Ubud. And I will walk around at Jalan Dewi Sita to explore the area and the conditions, and also I will visit the Ubud Art Market, guys. So let's go together. It's nice to walk around here actually because I see most of the shops are open, guys. And here on the left side, a nice silver shop with the silver shops is open. So actually, what makes me happier to see a lot of vehicles like scooters, cars passing around the street compared like last time I visited Ubud, guys. Like this spa is outdoor spa is open. Last time it was closed. I came here around a month ago. And this is their menu: body massage, foot reflexology, haircut, cream bath, and etc. And they have the number and the price is 100k per hour. I'm not really sure about the price. So maybe 1 hour massage or something. So let's continue, guys. It's a nice weather actually. It's not really hot, a bit cloudy, but it's fine. It's good for walking around. If we go to the right here, there are a lot of hotels as well. This is Jalan Gautama. And here on the left side is Golden Monkey restaurant, guys. So they do delivery service as well. As you can see, the scooter with some box there. And here on the right side is Nirmala shops. They have sales, guys, 70%. It's very good deal. So here we have Locafor. It's a nice place as well. It's modern cuisine, guys. Local with local product. And I see here on the right side 50% discount for shoes, especially for ladies. So ladies, let's go shopping. Okay, let's continue, guys. Here is Mingle Cafe, I think. So they have happy hour all cocktail, guys. Buy one get one free. So this is the place. It's nice too. And here's their sales, garage sales, all cocktail, buy one get one free, and etc. Here is another happy hour from, what's this, Kyoka Cafe or something. This is their place. Okay, let's continue, guys. Some cars are parking here, so I'm not really sure if it's belong to local people here or visitors. Here's the nice shops, guys, on the right side. Pinky shops color. It's pina colada shops with nice bike. Funny bikes is actually. It's very girly, but they have very good cloth designs inside. There are some more hotels inside, guys, if you walk to that alley or street. And here is Bamboo Bar and Restaurant. Unfortunately, there is no people yet. Hopefully later they can make some business. And here on the right side is very colorful wall or building. This is frozen yogurt, guys. I like their sign actually, or their board signs. It says we have Wi-Fi, so you don't need to talk to each other. It's so funny. Here is the football field in the center of Ubud. So if you live around here, you can exercise and playing football with the local boys. And here is tourist information is open, guys. But I'm not really sure some people need tours at the moment because most of the tourist objects are closed. This is Monkey Forest Street. It's a one-way actually, and that street is from Monkey Forest. And I will take right here to walk around to see the situations around here, and also I will visit the Ubud market, guys. So don't go anywhere. Let's check together. And here another nice restaurant is open, guys. And they have their happy hours as well. And here is the fingers handicrafts, and with a nice Balinese style gate or doors, guys. It's very nice also to see almost all the shops around this area are open, and I hope all of them they can make some business during really hard time or during pandemic. It's really hard time for all the shops or everyone, and mostly people in Bali, because our major income is actually from tourists or tourism. So we really hope that our tourism will be back soon, so that all of us we can work again like before. It's Pandora shops open, and Guardian of course it's open because a lot of people need to buy some medicines like vitamins and etc. And this is custom shops, very nice stuff inside. They have a lot of handicrafts, bags and etc. And this is one of the coffee shops here nearby the market. It's Americano 15k, iced latte 19k. And another sale, guys, here on the right side, 25% only, but their design look nice. And there on the left side is Flipper, Feel the Rubber. This Flipper brand is actually not only famous for tourists, but for locals as well, because a lot of our teenagers, they like to wear that flippers. Maybe because of the design is nice, and also the price is not really expensive. Here's the mini mart. And here is the Bollywood Indian cuisines, guys. So here's their menu on the board. Bollywood chicken shawarma is only 49,000. Bollywood combo only 87,000 rupiah. So if you live around here in Ubud, you can try this Indian cuisine sometime. Okay, here unfortunately gelato is closed, guys. I've experienced try that gelato once with my guest before, and it was nice. I really liked it. So I almost reached the market, guys, the Ubud Art Market, and I will take right here to see or to explore a little bit to see how's the market. And there in the front in Ubud Center is the Ubud Palace, guys. So here I will take right. This nice guy playing guitar, small guitars, or ukulele, I think is the name. And this is the situations at the market, guys. It's not really crowded, and not all the shops are open, but it's nice to see some of them are open, guys. Hope they still can make some business. You can try your bargaining skills, but please guys, this is very hard time for most of them, maybe all of them, so don't try to bargain really hard and make their day to give some sales. So here I see some rattan bags. It's very popular for the round rattan bag for ladies. It's not only tourists, our balanced people also use this rattan bag, the round rattan bag, guys. The price, it depends on the sizes actually. My friend bought one last time around 80,000 rupiah. And here somebody say hello. And I see durian fruit, guys. So anybody like durian here? Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.